This is a fantastic tire repair set that comes in this beautiful box, and it comes with so many different components. So here you have some kind of fat and lubricant that you can use. Here are some spiky tools that you can use, all nice metal, very good quality. We have a pair of pliers here, and then several little components that the expert in this will easily identify. Here we have some more. I just show you what's available in this kit because it strikes me as a really useful thing to have. So here you have these here for the tires. They're really nice and thick. Here are some more. Here's another small component. There we have a knife that comes handy, and this one here is a nice instruction. So really nice set that is easy to use, good quality, and perfect for any car.